Yo, what is going on, guys? It's your boy Blaine from BAteamTv, back at it again with another unboxing video. Today we are unboxing some brand new Jordans that just came out. Hey, before we start this video, I want to remind everybody about the giveaway that I'm doing. I'm giving away a size 10.5 pair of NMD tri-colors, so make sure to click the link down in the description to enter for a chance to win.
Yo, link in the bio. It's spelled wrong, but it's in the bio, or in the description.
Yeah, that's right. Let's go. Yo, what is going on, guys? Another unboxing for you today from Nike. They hooked me up with these sick shoes. Well, today we got brand new Jordan size 10.5, 12 wolf gray lows. I got them on the day they released. I think they look pretty fresh. Looking at them, give you a better look at the end when I show off the whole shoe. But the quality's pretty alright. It has the like wool-ish top, as in most of my favorite pair of Jordan 12s. It also has a little TW and the Jumpman logo. Got the 23 on the back, Jumpman on the side. I don't know if I can. Here we go, Jumpman on the side. I think these are pretty sick shoe. I will be playing some b-ball in them. But all jokes aside, the quality is really nice. They're super comfortable. I have had experience with 12s before and then I got rid of them, but all jokes aside, this is a pretty clean shoe. I picked it up once it came out on the 17th, I believe. 5-day shipping from the Nike sneaker outlet. But first impression, Nike, Jordan brand, keep doing you. Alright, on footage. No!